Every type of wildcat explained. The tiger. Tigers are the largest cats on Earth. Adult males can weigh over 300 kilograms and measure more than 3 meters in length, including the tail. They are native to Asia and are instantly recognizable by their orange coats and black stripes. No two tigers have the exact same stripe pattern. Several tiger subspecies exist. The Bengal tiger is the most numerous and is found mainly in India. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest subspecies and survives in the cold forests of eastern Russia. The Sumatran tiger is the smallest living tiger and is found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. The Malayan and Indochinese tigers inhabit Southeast Asia and are both highly endangered. Tigers are solitary animals. Unlike lions, they do not live in groups and usually spend most of their lives alone. They mark territories using scent and vocalizations, and conflicts between adults can be violent. As ambush predators, tigers rely on stealth rather than endurance. They stalk prey through dense vegetation before launching a short and explosive attack. Their prey includes deer, wild boar, antelope, and even large animals such as buffalo. Tigers are surprisingly strong swimmers and often cool off in rivers and lakes. Some populations regularly hunt aquatic prey and have been observed swimming several kilometers without difficulty. The lion. Lions are the most social of all big cats. While most cats prefer solitude, lions live in groups called prides. A pride can contain several related females, their cubs, and one or more adult males. The African lion is the most well-known and is found across parts of sub-Saharan Africa. Males are famous for their manes, which can range from blonde to almost black. Larger and darker manes often signal age, health, and strength. The Asiatic lion is much rarer and survives almost entirely within India's Gir forest. It is slightly smaller than the African lion and has a distinctive fold of skin along its belly. Female lions perform most of the hunting. Working together allows them to bring down prey much larger than themselves, including buffalo, zebra, wildebeest, and giraffe. Male lions contribute to hunting occasionally but are primarily responsible for defending the pride. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. It serves as a warning to rivals and a way to communicate with pride members over long distances. Despite their reputation as fearless predators, lions spend much of their day resting. In some areas, they may sleep for more than 20 hours daily. The jaguar. The jaguar is the largest cat in the Americas and the third largest cat in the world after the tiger and lion. Jaguars inhabit rainforests, wetlands, grasslands, and scrublands from Mexico to northern Argentina. They are heavily built with broad heads, thick limbs, and powerful jaws. At first glance, jaguars resemble leopards. However, they are significantly stockier. Their rosette-shaped markings usually contain small black spots, helping distinguish them from leopards. Jaguars possess one of the strongest bite forces of any cat. While most big cats kill prey by suffocation, jaguars often kill with a direct bite to the skull. This allows them to hunt animals that would be difficult for other cats to tackle. Their diet includes deer, peccaries, capybaras, monkeys, turtles, fish, and even caimans. Jaguars are excellent swimmers and often spend time in rivers and wetlands. Unlike many predators that avoid water, jaguars frequently hunt in it. Some individuals have been observed dragging large caimans from rivers before killing them. The leopard. Leopards are among the most adaptable predators on Earth. They occupy an enormous range across Africa and parts of Asia, living in environments that include rainforests, savannas, mountains, and deserts. Leopards are smaller than lions and tigers, but make up for it with incredible versatility. They are excellent climbers and can haul prey weighing more than their own body weight into trees. This behavior protects their kills from scavengers, such as hyenas and lions. Few predators can match a leopard's ability to move through trees. Leopards have an extremely varied diet. They eat antelope, monkeys, birds, reptiles, rodents, fish, and even insects when necessary. Several regional populations exist, including the African leopard, Persian leopard, Arabian leopard, Indian leopard, Sri Lankan leopard, Javan leopard, and Amur leopard. Some of these populations are critically endangered. Leopards are also masters of stealth. Many live close to human settlements without being detected for years. The snow leopard. The snow leopard inhabits some of the harshest environments on Earth. It is found throughout the mountain ranges of Central Asia, including the Himalayas, the Tian Shan, and the Altai Mountains. Its thick fur provides insulation against freezing temperatures, while its broad paws act like natural snowshoes. Snow leopards have unusually long tails, which help maintain balance while navigating steep cliffs. During rest, they often wrap their tails around their faces for warmth. Unlike lions and tigers, snow leopards cannot roar. Their vocalizations include growls, hisses, meows, and a unique sound called chuffing. They primarily hunt blue sheep, ibex, marmots, and other mountain-dwelling animals. Their powerful hind legs allow them to leap up to 15 meters in a single bound. Because of their remote habitat and elusive behavior, snow leopards are among the least observed big cats in the wild. The cougar. The cougar is known by many names, including mountain lion, puma, panther, and catamount. It has the largest geographical range of any wild land mammal in the Western Hemisphere, stretching from Canada to South America. Although often grouped with big cats because of its size, the cougar belongs to a different evolutionary branch. Like domestic cats, it cannot roar. Cougars are highly adaptable and occupy forests, deserts, mountains, grasslands, and swamps. Their primary prey is deer, but they will also hunt smaller mammals, birds, and reptiles when necessary. Cougars are incredibly athletic. They can leap over 5 meters vertically and cover large, horizontal distances in a single jump. Most cougars are solitary and avoid humans whenever possible. However, they remain one of North and South America's most effective apex predators. The cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal ever recorded. In short bursts, it can exceed 100 kilometers per hour. No other cat comes close to matching its speed. Every aspect of the cheetah's body is designed for rapid acceleration. It has a lightweight frame, long legs, a flexible spine, enlarged lungs, and a long tail that acts like a rudder during sharp turns. Distinctive black tear marks run from its eyes to its mouth. These markings help reduce glare from sunlight while tracking prey. Unlike most big cats, cheetahs hunt during the day. Their preferred prey includes gazelles, impalas, and other small to medium-sized antelope. Despite their speed, cheetahs are relatively fragile. Lions, leopards, and hyenas frequently steal their kills. There are 2 surviving subspecies. The African cheetah remains widespread across parts of Africa, while the Asiatic cheetah survives only in tiny numbers within Iran. The clouded leopard. Clouded leopards are among the most unusual members of the cat family. They inhabit the forests of Southeast Asia and are named after the large cloud-shaped markings that cover their bodies. Although smaller than most traditional big cats, clouded leopards possess the longest canine teeth relative to the skull size of any living feline. Their teeth resemble miniature versions of those seen in saber-toothed cats. Clouded leopards are exceptional climbers. They can descend trees head first, hang upside down from branches, and navigate dense forest canopies with remarkable agility. 2 species exist today. The mainland clouded leopard lives across parts of Southeast Asia, while the Sunda clouded leopard inhabits Borneo and Sumatra. Because they are secretive and spend much of their lives in dense forests, relatively little is known about their behavior compared to larger cats. The black panther. A black panther is not actually a separate species. The term refers to melanistic leopards or melanistic jaguars. Melanism is a genetic condition that causes an animal's fur to appear almost completely black. In bright lighting, the characteristic spots and rosettes remain visible beneath the dark coat. Black panthers occur naturally and are most commonly associated with dense forests, where darker coloration may help with camouflage. Because of their striking appearance, black panthers have become some of the most famous and misunderstood cats in popular culture. Extinct big cats. Many of the most impressive cats to ever exist are now extinct. One of the most famous was Smilodon, commonly called the saber-toothed tiger. Despite its nickname, it was not closely related to modern tigers. Smilodon possessed enormous canine teeth that could exceed 25 centimeters in length. It hunted large, Ice Age mammals throughout the Americas. Another giant predator was Panthera atrox, the American lion. It was larger than most modern lions and may have been one of the biggest cats ever to live. Panthera spelaea, better known as the cave lion, roamed Europe and Asia during the Ice Age. Ancient humans frequently depicted cave lions in prehistoric artwork. There were also giant jaguars, giant cheetahs, and numerous other extinct feline species that disappeared as Ice Age ecosystems collapsed.